Welcome to this progressive muscle relaxation session. In today's practice, we will focus on releasing tension from our bodies, one muscle group at a time. Progressive muscle relaxation is a powerful technique that helps to calm the mind and prepare the body for restful sleep. By consciously tensing and then relaxing each muscle group, we can reduce physical stress and promote a sense of overall well-being. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Make sure you are in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Take a moment to settle in and make any adjustments you need to feel completely at ease. Now, gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Letting go of all tension. Let's focus on our breathing. Inhale deeply and slowly, feeling the air as it fills your lungs and expands your abdomen. Hold the breath for a brief pause. Then exhale slowly, releasing any stress or worries. Continue this rhythmic breathing, allowing each breath to calm your mind and relax your body. We will now begin the process of tensing and relaxing each muscle group. As you follow along, remember to breathe deeply and evenly, and to focus on the sensations in your body. Start by focusing on your feet. Inhale deeply, and as you do, tense the muscles in your feet by curling your toes downward. Hold the tension for a moment. Then exhale and release, letting your feet fully relax. Feel the difference between tension and relaxation. Next, move up to your calves. Inhale deeply, and as you do, tense the muscles in your calves by pointing your toes upward. Hold the tension. Then exhale and release, allowing your calves to relax completely. Now, focus on your thighs. Inhale deeply, and as you do, tense the muscles in your thighs by squeezing them tightly together. Hold the tension. Then exhale and release, letting your thighs fully relax. Move your attention to your abdomen. Inhale deeply, and as you do, tense the muscles in your stomach by pulling it in tightly. Hold the tension. Then exhale and release, allowing your abdomen to relax completely. Next, focus on your hands. Inhale deeply, and as you do, tense the muscles in your hands by clenching your fists. Hold the tension. Then exhale and release, letting your hands fully relax. Now, move up to your arms. Inhale deeply, and as you do, tense the muscles in your arms by bending your elbows and bringing your hands up to your shoulders. Hold the tension. Then exhale and release, allowing your arms to relax completely. Focus on your shoulders. Inhale deeply, and as you do, tense the muscles in your shoulders by raising them up toward your ears. Hold the tension. Then exhale and release, letting your shoulders fully relax. Finally, move your attention to your face. Inhale deeply, and as you do, tense the muscles in your face by scrunching up your eyes and mouth. Hold the tension. Then exhale and release, allowing your face to relax completely. As you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, take a moment to notice how your body feels. Feel the warmth and relaxation spreading through each muscle group, and enjoy this feeling of deep relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation helps us to become more aware of our body and the tension we carry. By practicing regularly, we can train our body to release stress more easily and improve our overall sense of well-being. To close this session, take a few more deep breaths, inhaling relaxation and exhaling any remaining tension. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and bring your awareness back to the present moment. Thank you for joining this progressive muscle relaxation session. Remember, you can return to this practice whenever you need to release tension and promote relaxation. It is always within you, ready to bring peace and calm to your life.